G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Wednesday the 27th of June. Markets have been pretty much range bound today ahead of the EU summit on Thursday and Friday, where expectations of a positive outcome are being slowly but surely hosed down, and the euro is not really doing much. It's just treading water really. Around 125. We had a brief spike lower today to a 124.40 after the results of the Spanish bill auction were announced, where yields were much higher. That took the euro down, but it's come back to 125, the figure, and is sitting pretty comfortably around there. Had a high of 125.30 during the session. I doubt we're going to go above there, but if we do, there's good resistance at 125.5. Elsewhere, cable, that moved a little bit higher today. It's been up to just under 156.5. The Monetary Policy Committee, the MPC, were testifying to UK Treasury today, and suggested that any quantitative easing may be delayed somewhat there. So although everyone was in agreement that loose monetary policies are definitely required to kickstart the UK economy, it looks like any quantitative easing will be delayed, and help sterling a little bit higher. Elsewhere, dollar yen, that's pretty much range bound around 79.5. It got down to 79.25, but it's come back, and I don't think we're going to see an awful lot there. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they both had reasonably good sessions. They're at 100.65 and the Kiwis at 79.10. Really, they've looked reasonably bid most of the session, and at the end of the day, they followed US equities mildly higher and sitting pretty much close to their highs. I think the Aussie could test 101, 101.10 perhaps, but really ahead of the EU Leaders Summit, we're probably not going to see a great deal of direction in anything. So it all looks pretty much range bound today. There's not an awful lot out on the economic calendar, so I wouldn't be getting too excited about any major volatility or directional moves in any of the currencies. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook, though, on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And apart from that, please just remember that any outlook here is a personal view only and not meant to be used as trading advice. That's about it. Have a very good day. Talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.